Ako lang talaga mag-isa today. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. Now that I'm going back to YouTube, like gusto kong mangyari is meron akong weekly recap of my life. Yeah, sama ko kayo sa buhay ko araw-araw. On a weekly basis upload girl, of course. And ayun lang, enjoy the vlog. I love you all. By the way guys, here are my dogs. Kinukulong namin sila pag naglilinis. Hi Sunny! Hi Sunny! Hi Cloudy! Ang dakila kong tagalinis sa bahay na ito ay si Ate Blend. Nahiyain siya. Ate, mag-hi ka naman. Sobrang OA! I am really sorry about my hair. I just really woke up. But today is Saturday. It's January 18 today. And wala naman akong ganap masyado today except that I'll be going to Raph's place because yung dog namin kailangan siyang ipa-vaccine today. And then of course, Raph and I will also have a date today because we're going to explore yung mga camera binili ko yesterday. Yeah, Raph is really good when it comes to color grading. So I'm gonna let him color grade my cameras. And yeah. Hi guys, sorry. Hindi na ako nakapagsabi sa inyo pero tapos na mali ko. And here's Ram! Ang asim mo sa video pa lang. So, I'm gonna be doing my makeup right now. Kasi every time talaga I go out, I do my makeup because sometimes mga nagpapapicture and everything, nakakaya naman pag hindi tayo presentable. Presentable! Ewan ko ba, super dress up din naman ako, pero vet lang naman kami today. Hiring ako ng bagong assistant. So guys, live muna din. Ayun. Pag-hi kayo sa vlog. Say hi guys! Yay! Hello, I'm done with my makeup. Okay, now let's go. Alis na tayo. Hi! Andito na ako kala Raph. Waiting ako kay Raph right now kasi nakasleep siya while waiting for me. Kaya, waiting ako sa kanya. Sorry kayo, lover era. Bakit? Oh. So, I'm with the
sick guy.
with the sick person. He's sick. Grabe ang pre-blush ko.
Sigma, sigma, ba, sigma, ba.
Kaito! Yeah, Kaito will go to the vet today. What is that?
Your food. Sigma, sigma,
Hello.
boy, sigma, boy. Cute nga, no? Do you believe in like pet owners look like their pets? Yes.
Ah, really? Girl, you're 4.3 now. We're done with vet. Now, we're going to eat because wala pa akong lunch ate ko. At saka si Raph, wala pa din siyang lunch. So, kakain muna kami sa aming favorite coffee shop because they serve the best bibimbap. And also, I love dirty horchata so much. I mean, not so dirty. Like, usually kasi pag dirty horchata, 2 shots of espresso. Pero ako, pinapagawa ko sometimes 1 lang or half of it. Because, girl, whenever my drink contains espresso, I cannot sleep. Girl, I cannot sleep.
And what time is it?
What time is it?
4
p.m.
4 p.m.
We're here sa favorite naming kainan. Someone is sick. Someone is sick.
Pumasok. Pwede tayo? Takbo.
Pinaletso mo. Kaya 5. Kaya 5, diba? So,
Going to the Mercury right now because si Raph ay may sakit and we're going to buy meds for him. Kaya secure the goods. Let's go back to the car. Hey guys, so ito po yung may sakit. We're going to LB. Let's go! Tomorrow is Sunday and I actually don't know what to do on a Sunday.
Binili mo sa akin cool fever dati. Pang kids.
Because you're my baby. Ang asim ng cool fever.
Effective naman.
Yes.
Ikaw nga maasim ka na.
Grabe yun, ang pang-atake niya. Parang walang sakit. Sa mga taga Laguna ho, lalo papuntang Los Baños. Sa mga kinaukulan, baka naman gusto nyong gawa ng paraan yung traffic dito. Saka maglagay po ka ng health center malapit. But yeah, today I'm the driver. I mean, lagi naman ako yung driver na ngayon. Hindi kasi marunong mag-drive to eh. Because, abangan nyo sa vlog ko, may unbox tayong kotses. Yes! Ako lang yung masaya. Sige, kasama kayo sa vlog ko. Bahala kayo.
Two. Six pa. Nakot na.
Okay guys, medyo naiba po ang ating ganap today dahil emergency. Doctor! May kailangan po magpahinga. Ay, sorry po. May kailangan po magpahinga today. Kaya nakat ang ating trip. Siya po ang may salarin. Kailangan niya po magpahinga. Because he's so weak. You're weak. Hi guys, now we're going home. Early, yes, nakat ang trip natin. But I think I'm just gonna watch Netflix at home and edit and film because I have some deliverables as well. But let's see, but yeah, I'm going home. Hello friends! Dito pa rin ako sa traffic right now. Oh. Ang haba ng traffic. Di ba ako nakaka-uwi? Nabutan na ako ng gabi sa Darns. But yeah. Balitaan ko kayo kung nasa bahay na ako. Narealize ko lang talaga. Bakit kasi sa mga probinsya, wala masyadong flyover. I mean, I think sa panahon ngayon na talaga nagiging populated rin ng mga probinsya, dapat we should level up our roads. Wow, kala mo naman mayor. Hi guys! I'm home. Grabe, sobrang traffic. But, yeah. Well, hindi nasunod yung plan for today because kailangan umuwi ni Raph dahil syempre, masama yung pakiramdam niya. Binilang ko lang ng gamot and everything. I mean, nasunod naman yung vet, pero yung bonding namin, we will reschedule it on the next days pag okay na yung health niya. But, yeah, right now I'm just lying on this sofa bed because I wanna rest! Okay, kain po tayo ng dinner. Ang ulam po natin ay corned beef. My favorite corned beef. And the one who cooked it, my favorite. Yuck.
Cup. Off-light ba na Lose your dragon.
Hi guys, it's a Sunday and it's a rest day. Like, look at my hair, girl. But yeah, today is a Sunday and I actually don't know what to do today except sa pag-film videos. I need to film videos for Happy Skin and sa iba ko pang branded deals and non-sponsored ones. But I don't have the courage to film siya. Courage talaga. Pero tinatamad ako na. Paano ba nag-spend ng Sunday nyo guys? Kasi ako, ang Sunday ko talaga usually umaalis ako. Naggagala, ganun. Pero today wala si Ram kasi off niya. So feeling ko, ako lang talaga mag-isa today. Hindi pala siya feeling kasi ako lang talaga mag-isa today. May sakit kasi siya today. Hi friends! So, ayan. Very slow Sunday lang talaga to. Wala akong masyadong ganap and everything. Talagang, I'm currently planning out my content upload for the rest of the week for my TikTok account. And, yeah, actually, madaming ganap for next week. We're going to have a lot of content sa coffee shops and everything with Raph, of course. I'm currently thinking on how I can
produce a content na quite new for Skincare by Roz. And yeah, if you have an idea, like mga bagay na gusto natin subukan, let me know dyan sa comment section, girlies. But yeah, yun lang. I just woke up from a long sleep. Look at my eye bags. I just woke up. I don't think I have something to do today talaga. Well, I'll never know. But yeah, this is how I spend my Sunday, I guess, this week. Which is more of like sleeping and resting because I had a very rough week last week. But yeah, I love you all so much. I think this will be my outro with this kind of hair. But next week, it will be like a next episode rather. It will be like a whole week of events and ganap, and you will enjoy more next week. So yeah, let's do this.
For today's dinner, I cooked crab and corn. If you know me, this is really my favorite. It's not literally that I cooked it, but you get what I mean. This is my dinner for today because Ram wasn't around today because it's day off. But yeah. Oh my God, Ram is here! So, after the day off, kamusta date mo?
Anong drink?
With friends?
With friends, with benefits.
Yeah!
Hi guys, technically it's Monday now because it's already 2:37 in the morning. So my weekend is tapos na and I'm going to film a video for Happy Skin. But before I do that, I want you guys to say hi. I wanna say hi to my followers. Yes. Yeah, I'm doing live at this hour. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? Watch out for the new episode this coming week. Bye guys.